up, guys? Today I want to talk to you about something that has helped me beat procrastination and to manage my time better, and it's called the Pomodoro technique. This technique has allowed me to stay hyper focused on the tasks that I set before me. So this is what the technique allows you to do. Basically, it tells you to take your big tasks and then to break them into smaller tasks. Now, some of you might say, well, that goes without saying, but it's not entirely the case for everyone. So you take this big task, you break it into smaller tasks, and then you assign 25 minutes to completing that task. So you basically set a timer for 25 minutes to complete that task. So you can say, hey Google, set a timer for 25 minutes.
Okay, 25 minutes.
There you go. Now, within that 25 minutes, you try to accomplish the task that you've set, the task that you've broken down. So instead of saying to yourself that you're going to write a book for over the next week, you say to yourself that I'm going to write a page of content within the next 25 minutes. So within that 25 minutes, you're hyper focused on writing just a single page. Now, after your 25 minutes is done, you take a 5-minute break. And then you jump back in for another 25 minutes and then a 5-minute break. So within an hour, you would have spent 50 minutes hyper focused on your task and 10 minutes on a break. This has helped me so much in my day-to-day. It's helped me write multiple case studies. It's helped me build websites. It's helped me do the things that I need to do. And I believe that is going to help you too. So I want you to try this and then comment below after you try it to let me know if this works. If you've already tried it or if this is something that you do, also let me know in the comments and let's discuss.